Hey, long time no see. I've been quite busy with my next release, which is now completely finished and coming out really soon. And I thought in the meantime, I'd do a bootleg of Bon Iver's 45 from his album 22 A Million. Super lush, 1 hour to bootleg, you know the score. Let's do this. Do you hear what I'm trying to do here? Now speed it up slightly. So many delicious cadences in this track. We haven't even got vocals in yet. I've been burning fire. Let's get some vocals.
Well, I've been caught in fire.
Bon Iver is...
I've been caught in fire.
Where does it come in?
I've been caught fire. I've been caught.
I do kind of like that loop. Need more drums now. Maybe a break.
I've been caught. Well, I've been caught in fire. I've been caught.
That's a wrap, 1 hour. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there's anything you want me to bootleg next. Like and subscribe and all that rubbish. I'm also going to put the full track on my Soundcloud playlist for bootlegs. As well as that, consider becoming a patron. We're going to be doing monthly Zoom hangouts, questions and answers, Ableton project folders, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.